Hello YouTube family, and welcome to another episode of This and That. Yes it is, your boy Rosie, your soon to be #1 YouTube host. Alright family, doing a little cleanup. You'll probably see this in an upcoming video. This is my egg cooker. I didn't know how to use my microwave, so I was doing some experimenting. Every time I cook eggs in this on high power in my microwave, the egg pops, blows up. So I've been doing a little testing on lowering the power and getting these eggs to come out right. And I think we have the perfect formula. But that's not what this video is about. Bam. We are going to take a chuck steak and see if we can tenderize it using my little tenderization formula. I'm actually borrowing a step from my brother's steak video. If you've been around the channel for a while, you'll remember my brother cooked an oven steak. So would you just add water?
All you do is add
water
water.
up under the foil.
Put it under the foil.
Oh, so the steam will come up.
Steam is gonna make them tender than what they
You
are.
didn't tell me that when I was cooking my steak. When I did a whole YouTube video and left out
That's
the ancient Chinese secret.
That's the secret right there.
And it comes out super tender, super flavorful. So what we're going to do today is we're going to marinate a tough chuck steak, a cheap cut of meat, if you will. We're going to pour in a little vinegar, about that much. I'm guessing that's about a half a cup. We're going to pour in what's left in here, Dale seasoning for flavor, and here's where the unusualness comes in. We're going to hit that with a little milk. Milk and vinegar makes buttermilk. So this is basically going to be a buttermilk and Dale seasoned marinade. Oh yeah, baby. From the mind of a genius or a lunatic. Y'all pick. Alright, family, we're going to let this marinate for about an hour. And we're simply going to put it on the stove, or we may take it outside. I'm not sure. I don't like to use cast iron on that flat surface stove. So we may take it outside, just according to what the weather does, according to how I feel. Alright, family, we're going to cover this with some aluminum foil. And we're going to let it sit out. We're going to leave it at room temperature. We're going to let this sit out for about an hour. And we'll be back and see if we can tenderize this thing. We may even use my brother's technique and put this thing in the oven with a little bit of vinegar underneath some aluminum foil, the steak on top of the aluminum foil cover. We're going to use the same pan, just clean it out. Matter of fact, I wonder, no, we can't leave the marinade in there. I don't know what that milk would do. All right, family, y'all stay tuned. We'll be right back. All right, fam, while we were waiting, the mailman just came and dropped off Amazon package. So let's see if anything is YouTube worthy. And if there's anything that shouldn't be on YouTube, I'll edit this part out of the video. What we got? I thought this would be something cool to do on our downtime. Fitzgerald, every box that comes is not greenies. They're not all for you, buddy. Okay? No greenies. They're not for you. Alright. See what we got. What the heck is that? I could have checked my Amazon, but what fun would that be? I don't remember what I ordered. Oh, I know what this is. It's a magnet. When I'm at the gym and I want to record, that's not big enough for my big phone, but I think it is, and it's magnetic. I don't have anything metal. Oh, it works, fam. Good. Googly moogly does it work. Check this out. This is a magnetic phone holder. I can put it to the side of the Jeep or at some of the weight equipment in the gym, put my phone and record myself working out. Because my cousin has a little fitness channel that I'm an administrator of, and I do work out. Never believe it or not, my size, but I do work out. But fam, I don't know if I can show y'all right here or not. Check this out. Booyah! I love it. And that thing is on there. All right, fam, let's see what else we got. It's like Christmas. Oh, yeah. Lady Red just got her a new job nursing, and she wanted one of these clipboards that you could clip your paperwork on, but you could open it up and put your paperwork and important papers on the inside. The one that she had was too thick, so I ordered this for her about 2 days ago off of Amazon, and it's here. She's out shopping with her mom right now, so this is gonna be a nice surprise. All right, fam, we got about another 15 minutes before our marinade is done. So we'll go ahead and I'll go back and watch some more YouTube, and we'll wait on that steak, that flank steak or whatever you want to call it, to finish doing this thing. All right, fam. Ooh, look at that. Look, fam, that is a good magnet. All right, fam. I cannot make this stuff up. 10 minutes ago, the mailman dropped off 2 packages. Y'all just saw that. This is the same day, 10 minutes later. I heard Fitzgerald barking. He hates mailmen, the UPS man. I guess if they don't have his greenies, he doesn't like them. So I hear him barking. I look outside, and the mailman is at the mailbox now. I think it's the same mailman. He either forgot or he brought the big package because it wouldn't fit in the mailbox, but why not give me all of them? I physically went out and took, never mind. The world is acting really strange these days. All right, family, this is instant ink. Also, these are ink cartridges for our printer. I didn't order these, I don't think. I bet the printer ordered them all by itself. Woo, technology. That's scary, folks. All right, and this, I thought I was supposed to get a 3rd package. Once again, I don't remember what it is. I do remember what it is. Fam, this makes me happy. I know this is simple, but I wanted this thing. I saw it. It was cheap, like $5-6. And I am not skimping on anything I want this year. I'm getting it. Fam, this is basically a trash bag holder. Let's see how it works. All right, fam. Hold on. All right, fam, sometimes when I'm cooking, you don't want to bring out the big garbage can. So you hang this, and you just hang this over the side. Yeah, I know you could actually just take this thing. I'm also going to use it in the Jeep as well. Oh yeah, fam, that's going to work. Put it back in the drawer. Oh yeah, that's how it's supposed to be right there. Bam, boom. Y'all getting that? I don't have to drag out my big garbage can. I can use this while I'm cooking. I'm cutting up onions, I'm cutting up bell peppers, shucking corn, whatever. And I drop my residue in here, tie it up, put it in the garbage can, or take it outside. Bam, I love it. All right, fam, we're gonna use my brother's technique. We're gonna go ahead, take that meat, wash it off. Let's just get it done. All right, family, y'all stay tuned. All right, fam, first things first, I have never used this oven. Matter of fact, I don't think this oven has ever been used. So, warmer center, bread, bake, broil, steam clean, keep warm. All right, fam, we'll take a few minutes. Oh, it says door open. That's fancy, huh? All right, fam, we're gonna take a few minutes to see if this thing's heating up and what it's doing, and then we'll go ahead and proceed with this video. Y'all bear with me. This is all new to me. All right, fam, that's starting to heat up. The oven is, so we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna pour off this marinade. We're gonna go ahead and wash that off. That marinade was just for tenderization, not for flavor. Oh yeah, I can tell that's gonna be tender. Look at that, y'all. Oh yeah, I think we did something. All right, and that was only about an hour, y'all. All right, take a little paper towel. Let's dry this off. All right, now here's what we're gonna do. Now, my brother's special technique. He takes the vinegar, he pours a little vinegar in the tray. About that much, I think. A little more, why not? All right, now, that's the part that we left out when we were cooking our steak. If you've been around the channel for a while, about a year ago, I was in Georgia. My brother showed me his steak technique, his oven steak technique. Steak came out tender, moist, delicious. When he told me he either forgot or he left out the step about pouring the vinegar under the steak. Then you cover it with aluminum foil. You don't put, I don't think you pierce any holes, anything. And you make yourself a little template. And then now, we're gonna pour that in. We're gonna put the steak in. We're gonna take a little salt, pepper, Tony Satcheries. All right, fam, let's go ahead and season. We're gonna keep an eye on that stove. I think I got all the packing material out. Not sure. We're gonna go over it one more time. We're gonna keep a close eye on that thing. All right, fam, cover that with aluminum foil, put it in the oven, and we wait. All right, I don't see any wrapping paper or anything. Yeah, definitely the first time we ever used this thing. All right, fam, we're gonna stick that right there. I have a tray in the bottom. Can y'all see that? All right, fam, I have a tray in the bottom with a little water in it. I put it right underneath the other tray so if there's any spillage, which there shouldn't be, it'll catch it. But also, you see the steam. Y'all might already see the steam coming up off that water. I think that's gonna help the cooking process. All right, family, let's do this. Door open. Whoo, fancy, huh? Check this out, fam. Technology is beautiful. Where am I? Smart thing. Kitchen fridge. Kitchen range. Cooktop ready. Oven. Cooking. Check that out, fam. Gives me all the particulars. I'm broiling. Does it tell me the temperature? I think I can drive the temperature up a little bit with that. Boom. But it does tell me that it's on. And it's been on low. Doesn't tell me how long. All right, fam. But there you have it. That's the app. And it's called Smart Thing. Samsung. All right, family. We'll be back to check on this steak in about 20 minutes to see what she's doing. All right, fam. Hello and welcome back. We're at about the, I don't know, hour and 15 minute mark, maybe hour and a half. Wasn't really keeping a strict time on it. Just moving around, having some fun. All right, family, let's see what we're working with. Ooh, boy. Boom. Now, what my brother normally does, he cuts the oven off and he lets that sit in there for about an hour, a half hour, and let it rest. Ooh, looking good, fam. Looking good. Let me let y'all get a close up on that. Man, we're gonna put that on the board and we're gonna go ahead and cut it now. Don't y'all be jealous over my trash bag. Don't y'all get jealous. All right. All fam. Did that vinegar stay? Yep, the vinegar stayed trapped underneath there, just like it was supposed to. My brother always brags on his steak. You don't even need a knife. Bam. Bam. One cut. One cut. All right, nothing left but the taste test, baby. All right, fam, here goes. Salt, pepper, and we're not supposed to taste the vinegar at all. I marinated in that vinegar. I do taste a little vinegar, but it's not offsetting or off-putting. But the steak is tender. I don't think I should have marinated in the vinegar. That's not part of my brother's process. He simply puts the vinegar underneath the aluminum foil and slow cooks it. So I do have a little vinegar taste. But, like I said, I can handle that. All right, family. If y'all, hold on. Lady Red has warned me about that. On video, chewing, spitting, anyway. But family, if y'all enjoyed this quick, down and dirty video, y'all know what to do. Give your boy a thumbs up. And y'all hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time we drop one of these awesome videos. It's your boy Rosie. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.